parang palapit na kayo ng palapit sa isa't isa. Parang, ang layo mo na dito. Halika dito. Hi everyone, I am Sigrid Andrea P. Bernardo and I am the writer and director of I'm Perfect.
Hi, I'm Amaba. I play Chiro.
Hi everyone, my name is Anne Crystal Tacnargo. I played Jessica.
Jiro is, what do you like about Jiro?
Oh, actually
Jiro
is-
is strong, diba?
Chiro is strong.
And then, what did you like about the story?
No
I'm
story, like watching I'm perfect. Matawa, masaya.
Jessica is always be strong and brave. Uh, uh, yung story about the I'm Perfect. The story is about two Down syndrome fell in love with each other.
Ako, lagi ang goal ko lang talaga is to make them, to be seen, to be heard, and to be included. There are a lot of films na merong may Down syndrome. But this film kasi will give you their range. They can play complex characters. They are not like your, laging pag sa pelikula about their disability. No. This is, they fell in love, they pursued each other, they know what's a love team, they can do that. Being perfect is not about yung perfect symmetry or flawlessness. It's really about being honest with yourself and being truthful kung sino sila. So, sana yung audience will see that in them, they are also human. They are imperfect, but the more that they are imperfect, the more that we should consider them more perfect because syempre ang human naman talaga is imperfectly perfect. So, yeah, diba?
Okay.
Yeah.
Actually,
Go.
okay.
Is it for the role or in real life?
For real life,
I don't know what to say. Ano?
Hindi naman
Sabi mo na type ka ni Earl.
I appreciate it so much.
Oh, I appreciate it so
Na-appreciate
much.
ko naman kasi alam naman niya na hindi lang maging love, kundi friendship is love forever. Ang memorable sa akin yung I'm Perfect family spending our bonding.
Nagbo-bond kayo.
Hindi. Bonding with our I'm Perfect family. Yun ang best talagang memorable sa akin yun.
Ako, my favorite moment are dancing parts. Ang hindi nyo alam kasi parang every after the take ito after take, ang reward namin, we will dance. And hindi lang ako, because yun yung pampa-energy talaga nila. Sometimes when I am tired, may kita ng staff yun. Quiet. Sometimes may kita ng staff yun. So they will also dance para mag-sub sa akin. Kasi hindi sila nawawala ng energy eh. So kailangan lagi kami may sayaw. Yon. So, yun yung mga favorite moment ko. Even the crew will dance, art dep, lahat. Nakaka-touch because they know that I'm tired, lahat sila sub kung sino yung pwedeng sumayaw. So, laging ganun sa set, di ba? It is very important because it's breaking barriers. Parang siya first time, I think in the Philippines na magkaroon ng ganitong pelikula na dalawa ang bida ay may Down syndrome, as bida talaga, na love story and talking about their independence of being in love with each other. And for an MMFF, na alam naman natin na the very important, I think one of the important film festivals sa isang beses lang mangyayari sa isang taon. And it's Christmas. So, very prestigious for me yung MMFF, lalo na maraming mga sikat na artista ang kasama. So, para mapabilang, with Earl and Cristel na person with Down syndrome, na bida, na alam naman nating hindi naman kilala pa. I think malaking bagay yon na binigyan sila ng pagkakataon para makita ng mga tao, lalo na sa MMFF na merong malaking audience sa Pilipinas. Nabigyan kami ng chance para maipakita kung ano yung kakayahan nila sa pag-arte, hindi lang sa pag-arte, yung kakayahan nila makaintindi, gaya rin natin. So, I think yun yung pinaka-importante na makita sa MMFF.